I'm Robert Wilson from Access Overhead Door. I'm going to show you how to operate this electric operated door. Here you have photo eyes on both sides. If that photo eye beam is broke for any reason, the door will not come down, which I will show y'all in just a moment. You have a chain hoist here. You have a lockout sash rope here. This is for manual operation only. If for power to go out or the system to break up at the operator for whatever reason. This is your electric push buttons for the operator. First of all, you make sure there's no debris or obstruction on the door before you operate the open button. You hit open. You stand here while the door is operating at all times, whether it be on the open or the closed. Never walk away from electric operated doors. You never know what could happen. Okay, the door is in the fully open position. Now you're good to clear. Never open the door halfway. Always all the way open or all the way closed, no matter what. On the close, you hit the close. Again, never walk away from a moving door. Never. And this is what will happen if something runs across or if you've got debris in your door. I just broke the photo eye and the door reverses. So we're going to go ahead and stop that. You can stop the door in any position you want it, but never stop it halfway up or halfway down. So the door is coming down now. And again, I'm watching the door as it's coming down. I'm making sure there's not a broomstick in here. I'm making sure nothing is getting hung up in the door. And again, I cannot emphasize this enough. Never walk away from an electric operated door. The door is closed. I'm going to show you how to manually operate it. For whatever reason, power goes out, something bad, you know, what power usually going out is what we'll do. You pull this red rope, you lock it into that right there. Pull your chain out, and now your door is manually operated. It's as easy as that. Now this is all disabled now. Nothing works because I've got the locked out on the operator. So if I want that door to operate, the power's back on now. Now I can operate that door. Pretty much it. Again, like I said, I can stop this door anywhere I want to, but it's highly recommended you never stop this door halfway up or halfway down. The reason for that, the first truck that comes in is going to take out the bottom section.
Gotcha. Fair enough.
This is the manual operated dock door. These are what get used the most during the operation any given day. The rope, you have a step plate right here. The step plate is designed to lock the door only. That's the only reason you use that step plate. To raise the door, always remember, step on the step plate, unlock the door, raise the door, holding on to the rope. Never let go of the rope. See those spring bumpers up there? Those stop the door, but it's never a good idea for that door to be slamming up against it. Always hang on to the rope. Very, very simple. Again, lock it off every evening. And these doors are the same way. Never halfway up, halfway down. First thing that happens, the forklift driver comes through and takes out the bottom section. Pretty simple.